Say hello to everybody. Say hi. Can you see it? Good girl. Did we go shopping? Did we go shopping? Huh? Did we buy some toys and a Valentine's? Yeah? Did we buy the Valentine's? Can you say hello to everybody? Did we buy treats? What did we get? We got a new toy. We got a new toy. What is that? What's the matter? Sit down. Can you roll over? Can you roll over? Roll over. Okay, it's a little hard to do on the bed. Good girls. Yes, you is. What else did we buy? What else did we get? Did we get a monkey? Did we get a monkey? Because Mom calls you monkey. Need a monkey? Yes, a monkey. One monkey for another monkey. One monkey for another monkey. See you later, everybody. Have a good Sunday. Mamas, hey, say bye. Say bye. Dainty, say bye. Hey, Mamas, can you say bye? Say bye, everybody. Mamas, say see you later. See you later. What's going on? What's the deal? Say see you later. Say see you later. Say bye, guys. Say bye. Say bye.